right, guys, we are on another trip. Welcome to the Outdoors with Rich. We are heading through, I think this is called the Key Largo Cut. There's Penny Camp in the background. We are in our 17-foot Boston Whaler, and we're down here predominantly for a fishing trip. There's some great diving out here, some beautiful reefs here in Key Largo coming out of Penny Camp. But we're going to turn left and go on the Gulf side and see what we can do with some fishing. We got one more person with us. Who's that up front?
Hi.
I don't know if I can see in the camera. There's a glare. Hey, buddy.
Hi.
All right, we got everybody but Cheyenne. She had to work this weekend, so we love you, Cheyenne. We hope you're having a good weekend too. See you soon. Getting some chum ready to try to lure in some bait fish. If that don't have fish written all over it, I don't know what does. We searched this backcountry high and low looking for bait and had no success. So we decided to change up the plan a little bit, and we left the Gulf side and headed out to the patch reefs on the ocean side. Jen was so excited she caught the first fish, and she did it on an artificial bait. It was a DOA shrimp. This next part turned out to be pretty cool. I decided to cut off the head of a grunt and hook it onto a larger hook, kind of like I was getting ready to fish for sharks. But something quite different decided to take my bait.
Here, you take this. I'll take that, Ricky. Because you gotta really lean.
I found myself connected with a moray eel.
Ew.
Jen definitely wasn't crazy about this guy.
Oh.
Jen was operating the main camera and Ricky was operating the GoPro to get this catch from two angles. Eels do this thing where they coil up around their prey when attacking. And he eventually breaks off. Hey, nice schoolmaster snapper, Ricky. He had a lot of fun with this one. Alright guys, we decided to head out to open water a little bit, or not open water, but out to the patch reefs on the ocean side. Never our intent on this trip, but we have completely struck out, as a lot of people do, and we often do this time of year, as far as getting pilchards. So no live bait. We got some frozen bait from West Marine and some frozen shrimp, and we had a lot of success, as you saw out here. So now we're going to take some of those grunts and go cut them up into the backcountry and see if we can catch some fish back there. What'd you catch out here, Ricky?
A snapper and a barracuda.
Snapper and a barracuda. That was a cool barracuda.
Yeah, it was really cool.
What'd you get, baby?
I got a grouper and something we're not sure what it was
Some
yet.
monster. Well, monster for the reef. It was probably 20-25 inches long, blue and yellow, maybe a blue runner, we're not sure.
We have to do some research.
But anyway, catching that eel was kind of neat. So we'll see you guys inshore. If you've never gotten the opportunity to fish or even go boating in the backcountry of Key Largo, I definitely recommend it. To give you an idea of where this drone footage was shot, this is called Poor Joe Key, and this is where it's located on the map. We gave it our best here in the backcountry between Key Largo and Florida's mainland, but man, we just came up short. So we decided to head back and clean the few fish we had in the icebox. The fishing was pretty tough, but that's to be expected in the month of September.
I've heard they're good smoked.
My original intent was to keep this barracuda for cut bait and use it on a future fishing trip.
I'm gonna repurpose this guy. Looks like a nice
But the
fillet.
fillets came
Yeah.
off so nicely, we decided to look for some recipes.
Like I was cutting up and
Eventually
doing
we
dessert.
ate it, and it was great. I wish we had some more fish to show for this trip, but either way, man, we had a really good time. What a beautiful place. We'll definitely be back.